Hey there, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to make money with Brave Browser for beginners. If you're looking for a way to make money from home, Brave Browser might be the perfect solution for you. Before we dive into the details, I want to encourage you to click the link in the description. That link will take you to a resource that will help you make money from home the way I do and start making money from home. So, make sure you check it out. Now, let's talk about how to make money with Brave Browser. Brave Browser is a web browser that blocks ads and trackers, making your browsing experience faster and more private. But what sets Brave Browser apart from other browsers is that it allows you to earn rewards for using it. Here's how it works. When you use Brave Browser, you'll see a small number of ads in the form of notifications. These ads are based on your interests and are completely optional. If you choose to view an ad, you'll earn a small amount of cryptocurrency called Basic Attention Token, BAT. That can be used to tip content creators on platforms like YouTube and Twitter, or you can exchange it for other cryptocurrencies or even cash. The amount of BAT you can earn varies, but it's typically around 0.05 BAT per ad. But that's not all. Brave Browser also has a referral program that allows you to earn even more BAT. When someone you refer downloads and uses Brave Browser, you'll earn a commission of $5 worth of BAT. So, if you refer enough people, you can earn a significant amount of BAT. So, how can you get started with Brave Browser and start earning rewards? It's simple. Just follow these steps. Download and install Brave Browser on your computer or mobile device. You can find the download link in the description below. Create a Brave Rewards account. This will allow you to earn and manage your BAT rewards. Customize your Brave Rewards settings. You can choose how many ads you want to see per hour and which categories of ads you're interested in. Start using Brave Browser and earning rewards. To maximize your earnings with Brave Browser, here are a few tips. Use Brave Browser as your default browser. This will ensure that you see the maximum number of ads and have the best chance of earning rewards. Refer friends and family to Brave Browser using your referral link. This is a great way to earn additional BAT and help others discover a better browsing experience. Use Brave Browser on multiple devices. You can sync your Brave Rewards account across multiple devices, so make sure to use it on all of your computers and mobile devices. Check your Brave Rewards account regularly. You can see your earnings and referral stats in your account dashboard, so make sure to check it frequently. In conclusion, if you're looking for a way to make money from home, Brave Browser is a great option. It's easy to get started, and you can earn rewards simply by browsing the web. By the way, click the link in the description to learn the way I make money from home today.